Hello, my name is Juliana Nakazawa, and my graduate with honors project is called Task Forest, a task manager web application built on Django that gamifies task management to enhance engagement and productivity. Let me quickly show you by registering. You can choose your pet. Let's do Fang. And let's maybe do the fox. Great pet. Let's add a task. Clean house. Yeah, clean house. Set a due date and like clean kitchen maybe. Let's do, 2 maybe. Submit. Yeah, now we have a task. We can click to view it. We can start a timer, edit it, or go back. Let's start a timer. Let's look at my profile. Let's see, pet, species, box. Yeah. For the backend, I used Python and the Django web framework, while HTML and CSS was used for the front end, and a bit of JavaScript was used for the animations and the timer. Let's now look at some of the code. Here's the function that handles requests from the pet welcome endpoint, and when the user submits, it posts a request, and it creates a new pet object with the name and species provided in the request. It assigns it to a logged in user and saves it in the database. Then it redirects the user to the task endpoint. In the task view, there are several classes, such as task list, which displays a list of tasks assigned to the logged in user, and filters them based on the search and status filter provided in the request. There's also update task, which updates tasks. Delete task, which deletes tasks. Task details, which displays the details of the task. And task create, which creates a new task object. There's also timer view, which is still not working properly. Yeah, let's now look at the user's view. In the user's view, there are also lots of classes. The profile view, this view handles the user's profile page. It inherits from a template view, and it retrieves the user's pets if they have one and passes it into a template. The dashboard view displays the dashboard of the user's task. It retrieves all tasks assigned to the user. It calculates the number of tasks in each status, and then it creates a pie chart using matplotlib and displays the task status breakdown and saves the chart as a PNG image. The image is converted to a base64 encoded string. Some of the challenges include embedding the pie chart into the web page, but after some trial and error. I made it work. Another challenge that I'm still facing is making the Pomodoro timer update the task status. There are also lots of other features that I would like to add, but I didn't have time to do it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation.